Hi, this is Amy from Kaskaskia College, and I'm here to show you how to use the Kaskaskia College Career Pathways electronic resource. The Career Pathways resource is a tool that is designed to develop a customized educational path for you, regardless of what program that you're interested in. So, this is designed with both high school students and adult learners in mind. So whether you are a current high school student, the parent of a high school student, or maybe even a junior high student or an adult learner that is seeking the best path to your career, then this is a resource that's designed to give you a step-by-step plan or outlook for that. So the best way to get to the Career Pathways resource, there are actually 3 ways you can get here. You can either access the Career Pathways through the KC Connect app, or you can visit the Kaskaskia College homepage directly. There's a button for you to get to the Career Pathways from here, or you can access it by going directly to the URL pathways.kaskaskia.edu. The best way to show you the pathways is just to show you a few examples, and then I encourage you to play around with it yourself. So say I am a Central High School student and I am interested in the manufacturing career cluster and the industrial technology degree. So the high schools, we have all of the Kaskaskia College in-district high schools. Under the career clusters, there are 16 career cluster tabs that just about any career that a student would be interested in would fall into one of those career clusters. And then under each career cluster, there's a breakdown of the specific KC degree and certificate programs that we offer to provide a path to that career cluster. So if I am interested in the industrial technology degree, I'm going to click Get Pathway, and this is going to produce a customized pathway for you. So again, this is for Central High School for a manufacturing career cluster in the industrial technology program. So in purple, this shows all of the dual enrollment opportunities that a Central High School student would have. So dual credit, KC Foundation After School, KC Now, and the KC Jumpstart program. So this helps a student know what classes under each of those would maximize their career pathway. And this also shows a customized calculation of exactly how much that you could save if you took advantage of all of those dual enrollment opportunities while still in high school. And then this details the courses needed through the KC pathway for that program. And then if you go further, you'll see that we have information specific to this career pathway in the workforce. So this will take you to the Bureau of Labor Statistics information to give a very broad overview of this particular career. But then if you also look, we also have specific job postings for employers within our region that fall under this career to give you an idea of some of the local and regional opportunities within this pathway. We also have links to college partners, university partners that we have specific transfer agreements and pathways with so that you can explore opportunities to transfer if you're transfer bound or seeking a 4-year degree or higher. Let's go back and try another. So let's try with Nashville High School, maybe ag this time, ag, food and natural resources, and animal science is the closest fit, or let's see where I would fall with animal science. So if we get the pathway for a Nashville High School student within the ag, food, and natural resources cluster under the animal science degree, again, this top portion shows the dual enrollment opportunities that a Nashville High School student would have that they would be best to take advantage of if they were pursuing this pathway. Again, you'll see here the cost savings is calculated based on their dual enrollment opportunities if they took full advantage of that. the KC course pathway within that pathway, and again, the workforce information pathway and some local job postings within our region under this pathway, and our university partners that we have agreements with under this pathway. For adult learners looking to re-enter or get their education to change career paths, we can choose a career cluster, a degree, and this is going to detail their pathway with us, workforce, and transfer opportunities as well. I also want to point out that there are links to various resources available to help provide support for students seeking entrance into any of these career pathways, whether those are internal KC resources, and we also have many external community partners that provide support and resources for students seeking a career in tech program with us. I hope you find this helpful, and I believe that this resource will be very helpful to anyone who would like to use it. If you have specific questions or would like more information about any of the programs that are demonstrated through the pathways, please don't hesitate to give us a call at Kaskaskia College. Our number is 618-545-3000, or join us on our live chat to ask questions as you're exploring as well. Thank you.